Warning kids, what you're about to see is a demonstration in a safe lab with somebody like me, an adult, who's also a scientist, who's also a little crazy, but also very safe. So safe that I wear things like these, safety glasses, and things like this, a lab coat, and over there you'll see things like water that will fall from the ceiling if anything happens. Do not, under any circumstances, do not do this at home. Hi guys, my name is Miss Mesa, or as my former students have called me, the most awesome science teacher ever, Miss Mesa. One of the main reasons why I'm so passionate about science is it explains how the world around us works, why things have happened in the past, how come I can take my hands, put them on this table, and instead of falling through, they just plant firmly. Today what I want to do is an experiment. Sort of takes some science concepts and has a little fun with them. So I'm going to take this handkerchief right here, and I'm just going to dip part of it into this solution right here. Take it, dip it in, bring it out. I'm going to push this away from me. Use these tongs to hold it on. It's going to get a little bit warm, so I don't want to do anything that makes my hand hot. What I'm going to do is basically, it looks like I'm setting this fabric on fire. You can see right here the flames. So what you might expect is the fabric to start burning, maybe some smoke. But instead what's happened is absolutely nothing. Nothing to the fabric anyways. So what I've done today is combine two compounds, something called isopropyl alcohol and some water. So what's happening is we had a combustion reaction, which is just basically some sort of fuel. It's exposed to oxygen, so we have oxygen in the room. This isopropyl alcohol is the fuel. I applied this fire. What it did was it burned off the alcohol and left behind the water. So you can't tell right now, but this fabric is still damp. And what kept the fabric from itself lighting on fire was the fact that as the alcohol burned, it wasn't hot enough really to make the water evaporate. And as soon as all the alcohol burned off, the fabric is still damp, so that protected the fabric with the water molecules on it from going up in flames. So what I hope for you guys to get from my class, and especially coming to Adobe sessions, those live sessions where you come, you get extra support, teach you different lessons, is maybe some days we'll have demonstrations, other days you could do a with me lab. So I hope to bring some fun and excitement into our science class. Show up to your Adobe's.